It's that time of the morning again. Time for coffee and a Basenji. Well, look at that. It's a Basenji. Hello, everybody. Happy Thursday. Zulu, you have to look this way. The people are over here. Cut. Animal actors. Oh, what are you gonna do, huh? But anyway, I got the coffee. And I do have a little something to entice called apple. Oh, that got your interest, didn't it? Yeah. Didn't say I was going to give you any, but I did make you look, didn't I? Much too good for little doggies. Yes, you know I'm kidding. I've got more, don't worry. I've got more. Oh, look. We have another interested participant over here who was curled up a moment ago and now suddenly is wide awake. Give me apple, Daddy. Give me apple. He's so funny. So how's everybody doing today? The weekend is coming in. Not quite there yet, but hey, it's Friday Eve. That's what we call it at work. We don't call it Thursday. We call it Friday Eve. What I want to know is how everybody's doing today. How's your week going? Drop us a comment. Let us know. Thanks for sticking with us throughout the week here as we do a daily Coffee and a Basenji series. We've got Zulu Joy in the chair again, as usual. And what are we on, like day 4 now of no air conditioning in the house? Our main AC has decided to give up. And the only thing keeping us from melting is the fact that we recently put a mini split in the Florida room way out there. And so it is keeping this part of the house nice and cool. Of course, it's 68 degrees out there, but it's holding down the temperature until hopefully we get a new AC installed tomorrow. Then we'll be back to normal. But yeah, we're making it work, you know. It's life, right? Life happens. So a shout out to Arie's World channel last night. They did their live stream and they had well over 100 people in their live stream. We've been a longtime follower and friend of theirs. Their channel has just blown up. They got like 15,000 subscribers now. We're like, yeah, way to go. Zinga, looking good today, buddy. All tucked in under his blanket. What? He's just waiting for me to say the words that he wants to hear. Actually, he's just probably just waiting for me to toss him some, because that's usually what I do with Apple. I usually just toss him a piece. He doesn't even have to get up. Much like this. Now he's got to go find it. Oh, I saw it. There it is. Will he find it, though? Good nose work. There we go. Nice. And now a piece for Miss Zulu. Hey, over here. Whoa. Is it good? Yeah. They love their apple. Well, I should say they love my apple. Yeah, it's mine. That's right, it is my apple. You are blessed to have some. Well, that's it. Coffee and a Basenji. Over for another day. But that's okay. We'll be back tomorrow. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you then.